Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Stories with me, and today we will learn how to speak good English. So let's begin the story. A beautiful story. My name is Aliza. I am a nurse. My job is to help sick people. I work long hours every day. I work during the day and sometimes I work at night. I love my job very much because I like helping people. After last year, I was alone. I had no boyfriend and I lived myself. I worked all the time and I was very tired. After work, I often visited my father. My father lives in a village. They are a poor farmer. My village name is Neuri. He is old, so I like to help him too. Life was quiet and simple, but one day something changed. A new doctor came to work at our hospital. His name is Kuldeep. Kuldeep is 2 years older than me. He is 35 years old and he is very handsome. He is tall with brown hair and blue eyes. He smiles a lot. He is friendly and kind. At first, I thought Kuldeep would not notice me. I am very simple and shy girl. I didn't wear fancy clothes and I do not have long, beautiful hair. I did not think Kuldeep would be like me, but Kuldeep started talking to me. He always kind to me. He asked me how I was doing. He smiled at me every day. I was surprised. I thought maybe he liked me. He always drove me home in his car. It was a nice car, and we talked the whole day. We talked about work, our life, and our family. This was a very good moment of my life. I felt very happy this moment. Sometimes he would bring me coffee and food. I started to like him more and more. Then one weekend Kuldeep asked if you wanted to go to the movies. So I said yes. We went to see a movies. We went for a walk after finished movies. I was so happy. I like Kuldeep so much. Maybe he also liked me. But one day when we met Kuldeep in the morning, then I asked Kuldeep, do you love me? He smiled and said, yes, I like you so much. Hearing this, I feel so happy in my heart. I want to marry him, I said. But he did not give any answer and went away from there. I got scared. I wondered if I said something wrong. The next morning, when I went to his house to meet him, I was shocked because I saw a beautiful girl in his house. Then I asked to him, who is she? He smiled and said, she is my wife. Hearing this, I was sad and my heart was broken. I never want to meet him again. I have quit my job since that day, and I think this was my bad dream. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, my all dear friends.